Now, a legal case claims that many Europeans may lose their rights to stay here in the UK because of the way they've been treated by the Home Office. The Independent Monitoring Authority has brought a judicial review over the treatment of EU citizens who've already been awarded what's called pre-settled status. Now, they've been in the country for less than 5 years, but under the Home Office rules, have to reapply for an indefinite right to remain or risk deportation. Let's get more with our political reporter, Katherine Forster, who's following this case. Katherine, is it really the case that could be summarily kicked out of the country?
Well, certainly it's possible, and that is what the IMA are saying. Now, the IMA, the Independent Monitoring Authority, as you say, that's a government-funded body, but completely independent, which was set up to protect and safeguard the rights of EU citizens living here. Now, what they are saying is about 6 million Europeans claimed for EU settlement scheme to continue to live and work in the UK following Brexit. About 3.2 million of those have already got settled status. That means they can live and work here permanently. But the ones, as you said, that haven't been here for 5 years have applied for, about 2.6 million of them, pre-settled status. Now, what the IMA are bringing this judicial review about is that if those people do not reapply before that period ends, then they potentially would be what would be called illegal overstayers. They could then be potentially deported out of the country. They would lose all the rights that they previously had. Now, the IMA are saying that this is fundamentally unlawful, and that the Home Office, in pursuing this, are breaking the law and going against the withdrawal agreement. The claimants, the IMA, are making the case this morning. I was in the court, and they were saying that in the withdrawal agreement there was no reference to time frame, that there was an implication of an indefinite right to remain, which is not the case currently. So this is yet another legal headache for the Home Office, on top of all the other huge difficulties that department is currently facing.
Katherine, thank you for that. Suella Braverman's in tray growing ever higher. Thanks very much indeed.